What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Like I said, guys, this is a back-to-back install. If you guys haven't watched the first video posted, it's about my Invictus aerial splitter. Check this thing out, guys. It looks freaking amazing. There you guys have it. Sheesh. I promise I'm gonna get you guys better footage on how that looks. Today, guys, we're here with another surprise in the building. Woo! There you guys have it. Low glow kit in the building. If you guys haven't yet subscribed to my channel, make sure to do so down below. Hit the notification button so you'll never miss another stat status video. And like that, boys, let's get down to this video. Okay, guys, the new drop of low glow dropped, and like always, boys, your boy had to just purchase one of his own. You know what I'm saying? After Flacco had one in his car, the low glow kit in the building, the second one in the team. Hopefully we get more of these for all the rest of the boys. But today, guys, we're installing this. And like always, if you guys really want to see a how-to video on how to install this, make sure to check the link down below, which is Flacco's build. We did a whole how-to video on how to install this. This one is going to be mainly a vlog on how I'm just going to put this together and install it on my car. So stay tuned. You guys don't want to miss it. We got a lot of cool content coming. Promise, guys. Stick around. You guys won't be disappointed. Now let's get to the installing of the low glow kit. Big shout out to Patty for hooking me up with the low glow kit. Let's get it. All right, guys, what we got here, the package comes in. We got nice, cool stickers. I don't know how Patty knew I was a forklift driver back in the day, so yeah, we got the forklift driver stanced, and then the lawnmower for the Hondas. But yeah, guys, everything you see in this package is set for your whole car. So there you guys have it. Boom, boom, all the low glow kits here. Boom, wires, instructions, the module, all the goodies are in this thing, you know what I'm saying? And of course you'll get your own special message from Patty, so yeah, big shout out, boy. Let's get it. I'm gonna have to air up so that we can get under this car and see what the hell we're messing with here, you know what I'm saying? I'm hoping this thing takes like 30 minutes top max, because I don't want to do this for a long time, because I'm tired, you know what I'm saying? Air up the time for all subscribers and followers out there. Let's get it. For some reason, it's not letting me go all the way up. It says low voltage on it. It must be a fucking cold battery. Alright, guys, so you guys see right here, this is what all comes in the package. We got stickers over here for sticker bombing, the lights and everything. But right now, we're gonna look for some cleaner just to clean all the little areas that we're gonna need. Flacco recommends that zip tying some of these LED lights down, because with the extreme cold weather, they're not that good out here. So if you want them to stick on for a lifetime, zip tie them first. We're gonna use this wax and tar remover. It's the only thing I've got right now to try to clean off all the bottom areas that they're gonna be, the LEDs are gonna stick onto. So yeah, I'm gonna use these. Super excited to get this done. Just want to see it glow, you know, in the night. Look at my son already putting the stickers on. Alright, guys, we're gonna install the first LED. We decided to go with the side first, since I don't know it's easier. But we're gonna install this on the skirt. We saw a video and it says where the LED light shows that there's an arrow facing, it has to be facing back. So alright, guys, we just installed the side ones. Now we're gonna go with the back ones. That should be easier than. You gotta make sure they're super clean skirts. You make sure your car is super clean before you stick this stuff, because yeah, you don't want to lose the adhesive. But we just need the front and the back, and then the connections. All right, guys, we're here. We finally got the connection for the battery inside the interior. We ended up using this rubber garment that's already in the car. We ran the cables under the fender and through here, And we managed to pull them out through here, so we had to do no cutting or nothing. But yeah, guys, this way here will be connected to this module in here, and then to the power source. Yeah, pretty much it. So boys, it is taking longer than expected. Sticking the ledge is the easiest part. The hardest part is running the wires through your car and trying to find, you know, good spots where. Alright boys, we're almost done here. Just gotta run this last wire and pretty much just connect the battery and it should be ready to go. Alright boys, finally got that thing done. Now it's time to fuck with all that wire there. Shit. Make it look nicer and we should be ready to go.
Oh!
Damn, boy. What do you guys think? Comment down below. The video low glow kit is finally installed.
It's pink.
Bro, it's 1:40 in the morning.
It took that long.
We took that long, bro. There you guys have it. I'm gonna download the app from Logo Kit so I could like do the sequences and all that and show you guys how that works too, you know. But dude, so far, dude, this is fucking sick, man. It is working how it's supposed to. That thing glows, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we gotta drop it. Let's see how that looks. What do you guys think? I think we should. Damn, boys. So yeah, guys, let me know in the comments down below. This is so fucking insane, man. This is fucking sick, guys. Thanks to my son right here for helping me out. We did like at least 3 hours or something with this car, dude. Damn. Took us forever. But there you guys have it. Look at that. Sheesh. Alright guys, there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Me and my son's installing this LED light kit from Low Glow. You already know. I'm more in love with this car now. We got the front splitter, the lights. Dude, and I got another thing well, I already have it, but I'm getting something customized. But anyways guys, thank you guys for coming through. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It wasn't a really how-to video, it was just me and my experience. Working in the garage with my sons, getting it done. And just for y'all, I miss y'all. Come back from the bangers. Have a great weekend. Keep building, guys. It's not over yet. Car season's coming, 2023. Let's make it ours. Peace.
Tell me what you like.